How to buy Liberland token. See, this token came under the symbol of LLD. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money and also crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click here on markets, and you will be able to see this exchange platform. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, for example, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund with some USDT. So if you select the MEXC, click on this pair, as you can see, and you will be able to redact your account on MEXC. So after that, what you need to do, as you can see here, click on this buy option. Now click on the limit. Here, type how much you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. Click here on buy LLD. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to use it to buy this token. Click here on buy LLD. So this is how to buy LLD token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.